All right, guys, so you ain't gonna believe this. Laying down in the bed, heard this big crash, and well, see that? That right there? That used to be a big old tall tree, big huge tree. Right now, it's on the power line. Yep, so, and it goes around, comes across, and boom, right on my blessed truck. Same truck, I just put a motor in. What in the world is going on? Just got done with, you know, the recovery and everything, and getting ready to go on another one. And yeah, my truck's smashed. The whole top of it's caved in. I don't even know if I can get my doors open, but I can't touch it right now because it's still on the power lines, and the power lines are, you know, my power's out, but power lines may be live. And this is not no dead tree, guys. It is very much alive. Now, mind you, that little one back there behind it's dead, but this is a very much alive tree. Yeah, so it's up there on the power line, which had some major sparks a while ago, as when I come outside and heard the big bang there on the power line. Got the power company coming out. So yeah, not freaking too happy right now with my truck smashed, and I don't know, hopefully I can push the roof back up or something. I don't know. Man, it just never ends. Anyway, guys, thought I'd share this with you and let you see my mishap, I guess, this morning. Anyway, love you guys, and see you on the next one. And until next time, stick with us.